We're here at the market in Chiang Mai getting some local ingredients for our cooking class today with Vannee. Let's go!
Wait, so what are we making?
We are making 4 different dishes today. Khao soi, which is the northern noodle soup, lab padu, which is catfish salad, and som tam, which is papaya salad, and then dom sep, which is like a super spicy Thai soup.
You're probably gonna see us cry when we eat that soup later. So for the khao soi, we're gonna boil these noodles, and then we're gonna fry these ones crispy, and they're gonna go up on top. And then these guys, these are like a condiment.
I just had a taste. It is so fucking spicy. You sure you're not gonna cry?
I might cry when it's finished.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video. We had an awesome time at this cooking class yesterday. Vannee was a wonderful teacher and she answered all of our questions and made us feel great about the things we were making.
We booked this Thai cooking class through a website called WithLocals that specializes in local experiences with local people. So if you want to take the class for yourself, you can find a link in the description below this video.
And if you don't want to cook the things that we made, you can customize the menu any way that you want. And at the end of class, she even gave us this cookbook so that you could try the recipes again at home. This is like everything.
So once again, thanks for checking out our video. If you want to learn more about us and the travels we've been on, you can check out our website at localnomads.com.
See you later.